Guys, I have been waiting forever. We got a lot of rain yesterday. It's 2 years for this to bloom. Peonies don't like to be buried deeply. Good news for you. This means less digging in the garden. Plant your peonies. I found my bulbs at Lowe's. And she has a sister. As I shared, we had rain. It was pretty hard. Now she's got a little bit of yellowing on this side. Oh my gosh, how lovely. I'm gonna have tea with this beauty. Look at that. Peonies rarely bloom the first year after planting. It often takes 3 years before you see abundant display of flowers, and mine, it's blooming after 2. Just think, once the plants do start blooming, you are in for a wonderful treat. Yes, look forward to a lifetime of beautiful flowers. All right, I couldn't help it. She smells so good. I had to pick. I am going to go inside and have a nice, relaxing cup of tea. So as you can see, there's ants. To make sure that I'm not bringing in the ants, I'm going to gently dip in water. The ants will wash off and enjoy these beauties. These are the first 2. Smells so good. Give it a smell. I also wanted to take time out to welcome all my new subscribers to Blissful Spaces. I truly appreciate your time on my channel. I love what I'm doing. I love to garden and inspire you. And yes, this is for you. Come on, we're in the kitchen. I'm going to show you how I wash and how I'm choosing to display my beautiful peonies. And I'll dip it again. Both of them. After a few days, I couldn't resist. I had to place it next to my nightstand, waking up to the beautiful blooms and the fragrance. Oh my gosh. I had so much fun creating this video just for you. As always, stay loving, be kind, and I'll see you in my next video. Blessings.